Oh, this is a tunnel.
We're going through a tunnel made by Inca hands. Tristan barely fits.
I'm barely fitting. I'm like touching the sides.
Oh, look at that!
Tristan, if you get stuck, we can't help you.
If I get stuck, I'm stuck here forever.
Wow, how'd they make this?
I feel unsafe. I feel insecure.
Here, Jack, take the bowl.
Ooh.